We all know this feeling. You're set up in your favorite spot, coffee in hand, ready to crush some work with your AI Copilot. You start typing, and for the first few turns, it feels like magic. The answers are sharp, the context is clear, and you are flying. But then the drift sets in. The AI starts losing the plot, and suddenly you're correcting it instead of building. Here's the problem. You never get a warning. What if you did? What if your AI conversation had a check engine light that detected tension and told you when to pause and reset? That's what it means to vibe with your AI. To VibeAI by Hugonomy Systems. Introducing the VibeAI Thread Inspector. VibeAI runs quietly alongside the AI chat tools you already use, like Google's Gemini, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, and Microsoft's Copilot AIs in Google's Chrome web browser as an extension add-on. It's an adjustable heads-up display that parses the emotional weather of your thread in real time. It's not checking your spelling, it's checking your alignment. It tells you if the conversation is drifting off course, so you can catch a misunderstanding before it becomes a hallucination. It works where you code too. While using Claude, VibeAI sits in your peripheral vision. It's designed to be a compass, helping you navigate complex coding threads without losing the plot or burning through your context window with frustrated corrections. This is one of the most important moments VibeAI detects, what we call the pivot. Here, in a Copilot thread, the indicators have turned orange for urgent. This isn't just data, it's advice. It's telling you that the AI is starting to mirror your stress. When you see this, the best move isn't to type faster. It's to pause, take a breath, rephrase your prompt, control the vibe, and you regain control of the output. This is the state we're aiming for. Green means aligned. When VibeAI shows full resonance, you know three things. The AI understands your intent. The context is stable, and you're safe to keep building. This is what real AI flow feels like. It's important to be clear about how VibeAI works. VibeAI is a mirror, not a spy. It runs locally on your device using simple pattern matching, not a black box AI. It doesn't send your data to the cloud. It doesn't tell you what to say, and it doesn't talk to the AI you're using. It simply reflects the tone of the current conversation back to you, so you stay in control. Your data never leaves your device, and if you want proof, our extension code is public on GitHub. You can inspect it, report bugs, and suggest features at any time. So, keep your AI chat on track with emotional intelligence. Vibe with your AI. VibeAI by Hugonomy Systems, now in open beta. Join us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Substack for all our 2026 updates, and keep your conversations on track.